So yeah, when it comes to detoxing, I've found in my own experience, and I'm sure it's very same for you more or less, that the more energy we have overall in life, the more easy it is to detox. Because when we detox, our energy becomes lower because energy is taken away from our ordinary daily life to help remove and expel toxins and chemicals, drugs, pollutants, and old waste, food particles that didn't really belong in our body in the first place. So our energy goes down to help dislodge and remove these things from our body. So therefore, if we start off with a very high energy level and we go down, it's not too much of a problem or a difference, like not a big deal. But and I've seen this in various people like Orville Douglas, Anne Osborne, Eli Martyr. People who've got like haven't damaged their health a lot, which I had and did in my 20s. I totally depleted nearly all of my energy. I remember being like just shaking, feeling tired, holding a cup. Like what a weird thing. It's like it's such an alien thing. It's been so long now, but I just was so wrecked, a little bit crippled, like that. I was brought to my knees and humbled. My ego was shattered, and my identity was shattered, and my relationship with God was shattered. And wow, it was a big thing. But for people who are more sick or toxic or more inner pollutants and chemicals and drugs and old waste food products, um, and people who overall less energy, they'll struggle. It'll be very hard to detox. So you have to really moderate it. And that's why Dr. Morse calls it the art of detoxification, because it's all about moderation. Detoxification is a bit like a train. It gains momentum. It takes a little bit slower to start off, but then it gains momentum, and it's like a snowball rolling downhill. It becomes faster, and then don't want it to roll too fast, because it takes just a little bit of time to slow it down. Cooked food is the fastest way to slow it down, like cooked starches or like like potatoes or like creamy stuff. Indian food. I don't have Indian food, not takeaway anyway. That's too bad, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so yeah, the other thing after that is slows down detox is stuff like a lot of bananas and dates, some dried fruit, nuts and seeds, nut milk, homemade almond milk, salad, avocados. They all slow it down. But bear in mind, if you try and have too much food that's like too heavy and too complicated mixture, that in itself can make you feel pretty off or tired or dehydrated or lower your energy too, and maybe even slightly bit narky or grumpy, possibly. It depends if your energy is too low, because whenever our energy is too low, we do become a bit more sensitive and narky and grumpy. So that's something to become aware of. So yeah, that's why Dr. Morse calls it the art of detoxification. It's about switching gears like on a bicycle, going up one or two or three, or going down one or two or three, and it's in the speed of detoxification. So for me, it's been very important to learn all this stuff, and I'm sharing with you now from the bottom of my heart and the top of my higher mind. I love you all very much. I care for you all very much, and I hope this video helps. So my suggestion of all of this would be to try and accumulate energy in your life by healthy and natural lifestyle practices such as early nights, enough sleep, enough rest, not overdoing things, listening to your body, sun gazing, sunbathing if you can. Capture the sunrise if you can. Like I capture sunrise and sun gaze on the beach in Ireland when it's not too cloudy. I go there every morning, every day, every celebrating. I'm not mourning anything, I'm celebrating everything. So natural food, as much raw food as possible. Today is my 5th day of just eating all raw, and I feel like fantastic. And I've had some good benefits from it, which I'll make in another video. I've had 3 very distinctive benefits, which have all arrived in the morning, day 5. So I'd highly recommend eating as much raw or all raw as you can. Even 95 to 99%, even 100%, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm not a purist, I'm more like someone who tries to be continuous and keep things going on a regular basis. So yeah, I hope this video helps, friends. Please, thank you, and please do give it a for all who like, share, and subscribe, or leave a comment, and check out my social media to befriend me and connect and collaborate on stuff like Facebook, Instagram, and Odyssey or Telegram. And for anyone who would like any coaching on body, mind, spirit, or health detoxification diet, please do just check out my link, owenfox.org below. And for anyone who would like 15% off my Higher Self Herbs herb store to help your adrenals, immune system, lungs, ligaments, bones, joints, tendons, antioxidants, chaga, reishi, hoshiwu, various really cool things, check out my link below there. And I look forward to hearing from you. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.